How to create a Binance account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Binance account. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, go to the search bar and simply search for Binance. So you gotta make sure that you download the official Binance application that would look something like this. So once you have downloaded that, you'll be able to see an option that says open. So simply click on open and you'll be redirected to an interface of Binance that will ask you to sign up or log in. So you're going to click on this button that says sign up or log in. Simply click on that and over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see a button that says create a Binance account. So click on that option and you can either create an account using your email or phone number. Note that you gotta type down the phone number without the country code. Or alternatively, you can also continue with your Google or Apple account. It will not prompt you to type down your password again. It will simply take in your Google or Apple account. So let's say I'm gonna go with my Google account. So simply click on your Google account and select that. Once done, you will be redirected to an interface that will ask you to complete your KYC. So you're going to select your residence, your document issuing country origin, select the document type that you're going to upload, such as national ID, passport, or driver's license. Then you're going to click on continue. And here you're going to either take pictures or upload the pictures of your ID card, driver license, or whatever document that you have. You're going to make sure that the document is original. Copies or screenshots are not acceptable. Ensure that all information is visible, damaged, or expired IDs are not accepted. And you're going to turn off all beauty filters or photo enhancements to avoid any sort of rejection. Once done, you're going to click on continue. And then they're going to send you a verification code on your email. So simply type that code down. And once your account is verified, you're going to click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner and you're going to click on your user. So if your account is successfully verified, you'll be able to see your verification status changed to verified. So if the verification status is verified, that means you have successfully verified your account and now you can continue using Binance, you can deposit your funds, you can withdraw your funds, or you can perform any sort of trading activities. So that was basically how you can create a Binance account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.